Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna with PayPal. Now, if you're trying to add Klarna to PayPal, the only way to do this is by using Klarna's digital card. You can add this card to your PayPal account just like a regular credit or debit card. Since Klarna and PayPal are two different payment platforms, there's no direct connection between them. But here's a workaround. Go to your PayPal wallet, click Link a Card, and enter your Klarna digital card details like card number, expiration date, and security code. Once that's done, you can use your Klarna card for PayPal purchases like any other payment method. And that's it. That's how to use Klarna with PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.